Many foods marketed as healthy today are packed with harmful ingredients that can damage your health over time. From granola bars to fast food salads, these products hide dangerous chemicals, unhealthy sugars, and harmful oils. In this video, we will explore 7 foods you should avoid if you want to maintain good health. 1. Granola bars. Hidden glyphosate and sugars. Granola bars, like those from Nature Valley, appear wholesome, advertised as containing whole grains with a touch of honey. However, a closer look at the ingredients reveals a different story. These bars often contain bioengineered food ingredients, including genetically modified organisms, GMOs. GMOs are associated with glyphosate, a chemical herbicide linked to cancer. The company that owns Nature Valley, General Mills, dropped the 100% natural label after lawsuits exposed these ingredients. Glyphosate, found in Roundup herbicide, is a powerful weed killer that has been linked to cancer. In one high-profile case, a man was awarded $300 million after his terminal cancer was attributed to glyphosate exposure. Additionally, granola bars contain refined sugars, often from GMO beet sugar, and seed oils like canola oil, which are high in inflammatory omega-6 fats. The bars also contain refined starches, such as rice flour, which quickly break down into sugar in the body. Just one granola bar can contain nearly 7 teaspoons of sugar per serving, leading to blood sugar spikes and increasing the risk of obesity and diabetes. 2. Agave syrup. Worse than high-fructose corn syrup. Agave syrup is often marketed as a diabetic-friendly, low-glycemic sweetener, but it is actually one of the worst sugars for your liver. Unlike table sugar, which contains a mix of glucose and fructose, agave syrup is 85% fructose, even more than high-fructose corn syrup. Fructose poses a serious risk because only the liver can metabolize it, processing it in the same way it handles alcohol. Excessive fructose consumption can lead to insulin resistance, obesity, and fatty liver disease. While agave syrup may not cause an immediate blood sugar spike, its effects on insulin are indirect and dangerous over time. The concentrated dose of fructose makes this sweetener toxic, especially if consumed regularly. 3. Flavored yogurt. Sugar bombs in disguise. Flavored yogurts are promoted as healthy snacks full of calcium, protein, and probiotics. However, these products often contain more sugar than candy bars, with some having up to 30 grams of sugar per serving. While yogurt itself contains small amounts of natural sugars, flavored versions add syrups and refined sugars that fuel bad bacteria in the gut. The probiotics in these yogurts are often ineffective, as most beneficial microbes cannot survive the stomach's acidic environment. Additionally, many flavored yogurts use low-fat or skim milk, which eliminates the healthy fats that make yogurt more nutritious. If you want to eat yogurt, choose Greek yogurt or Bulgarian yogurt made from whole milk, without added sugars. Alternatively, kefir offers even more diverse and beneficial probiotics than yogurt. 4. Non-dairy creamers, trans fats, and hidden sugars. Non-dairy creamers are marketed as healthier alternatives to milk and cream, but they are loaded with harmful ingredients. These creamers contain high-fructose corn syrup, maltodextrin, and various seed oils, such as canola or soy oil, which can promote inflammation. One of the biggest concerns with non-dairy creamers is their use of hidden trans fats. If a product contains less than 0.5 grams of trans fat per serving, manufacturers are legally allowed to round the amount down to 0, meaning a product labeled trans fat-free can still contain harmful trans fats. Trans fats are dangerous because they increase the risk of heart disease, obesity, and inflammation. Instead of non-dairy creamers, opt for organic cream or half and half. These options are free from the chemical additives and seed oils found in non-dairy alternatives. 5. Fast food salads, chemical cocktails in disguise. Fast food salads may seem like a healthier option, but the truth lies in the dressings. These dressings are often full of high-fructose corn syrup, seed oils, and hidden trans fats. Even though these salads appear fresh, they contain preservatives like sodium bisulfite to keep the lettuce from browning. Additionally, the vegetables are often washed with chlorine to eliminate harmful bacteria. While these measures may prevent contamination, they also strip the produce of good bacteria. To avoid these chemicals, it's better to prepare your own salads at home using organic produce and homemade dressings made with olive oil and vinegar. 6. Puffed cereal and rice cakes, a dangerous experiment. Puffed cereals and rice cakes are often marketed as light and healthy snacks, but they can be surprisingly harmful. The speaker shares an experiment conducted with rats to illustrate the dangers of puffed cereals. The experiment involved feeding rats 4 different diets: regular rat food, whole wheat bread, white bread, and puffed cereal. Within 2 weeks, the rats fed puffed cereal began showing severe symptoms, such as bulging red eyes, and they died prematurely. This experiment was based on earlier research conducted by a Quaker Oats chemist, who found similar results. The findings raise concerns about how puffed grains might impact the body, especially since they undergo extreme processing, which alters their chemical structure. While these findings are alarming, they highlight the importance of avoiding highly processed foods like puffed cereals and rice cakes. Instead, opt for whole, minimally processed grains such as oats or quinoa for better nutrition. 7. Artificial sweeteners, a hidden danger to metabolism. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin are marketed as guilt-free alternatives to sugar, often found in diet sodas, sugar-free snacks, and chewing gum. However, research has shown that these sweeteners can do more harm than good by disrupting your metabolism and gut health. While artificial sweeteners are low in calories, they can trick your brain into craving more sugar by activating the same reward pathways as real sugar. This often leads to increased consumption of sweet foods, undermining efforts to control weight. Studies have also linked artificial sweeteners to insulin resistance, meaning they may contribute to the development of type 2 diabetes despite having no direct calories. Beyond metabolic issues, artificial sweeteners can harm the gut microbiome. Research shows that substances like aspartame and sucralose disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria in the gut, potentially leading to digestive issues, inflammation, and weakened immunity. Some animal studies even suggest that aspartame could have neurotoxic effects, increasing the risk of mood disorders like depression and anxiety. To avoid these risks, try replacing artificial sweeteners with natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit extract. Another option is to reduce your craving for sweets by incorporating whole fruits into your diet, which provide natural sugars along with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. All of these foods, although advertised as healthy choices, contain chemicals, sugars, and unhealthy fats that can contribute to obesity, diabetes, liver damage, and heart disease. To protect your health, focus on consuming whole, organic foods and avoid highly processed products. Making small changes to your diet today can have a significant impact on your long-term health,